Hey guys, MrGiveitaway here with my first video, I should say, from coming back to this channel. A couple of you will know I got hacked around New Year's time, lost the whole channel, lost all the videos. So that's why there's been no videos up for a while. And all the videos have been going off my channel. I did post a video yesterday, I believe, which was just like done on with a movie maker for like 5 minutes, just saying I'm back, just to let you know. But this one is just like a front-on view of my face, because I've not done one of these before. And it's just a little bit of an update on what I've got to come for review. So as you can see behind me, I've got this big parcel. In here we have a couple of iProds products that they sent me. DJ styles here. These are real nice headphones, these guys. So yeah, I'm going to be reviewing these. These were sent to me by iProds. So I'd like to thank you on this video now, guys. iProds, if you're watching, I'd like to thank you on this video. I sent you a message from my new email address, because that got hacked as well, telling you that I'm going to be reviewing them soon. I don't know if you've got it or not. I'm not too sure. I don't know if you're going to read it, because you might think I'm like a person trying to steal the products now. But I'm really not, guys. I've just had a lot of trouble. I did unbox these on my other channel, the Update Review 11 one. I don't know if I'm going to keep that up. Maybe give it away to one of you guys. I don't know. It's got like 150 odd subscribers. So if you want that, comment down below for a giveaway. I've got a Photoshop channel, guys. I have had Photoshop for 2 months now. I've got a channel, Photoshop Guy 2010. I'll put a link in the description to that, guys. Should be, I don't know which way it is now, guys. It's over there somewhere, I don't know, but there, what's to come first. We have this. It's the iPod silicone wraps. The Cyclops case is in there already. So yeah, this is coming up with a review, guys. This is a real nice silicone case. One problem I found with this is these here. It's pretty hard to press the buttons with, and it's nice to charge at the bottom with, and it's a real nice protective case, so that's to come. And we have one more thing, guys. This is the box. Nope, not onto there. These guys, you can see there, the CS40s. There is a problem with them, guys, and that's this. Yeah, what I got to use with these headphones, guys, it was amazing, guys. Best headphones I've ever seen, but that happened. I took them on a skiing trip with me, and I was walking back onto the coach on the way home. Got them stuck on the handle of the chair and they snapped, so that weren't good at all. So yeah, maybe iProds will send me a new pair of these to get my trust back again, I don't know. But yeah, so they're real nice headphones, guys. They're the best ever headphones I've ever had, guys. Even though I'm not doing a review on them, I'll just let you know now. I do recommend you go out and buy them, guys. So the CS40s, amazing headphones, guys. So yeah, that's basically it. They're the products I've got to review so far. I will be uploading the reviews again for the other products that I've had. So such as the Pocket and the Ultra case, stuff like that. I will be re-reviewing them, not re-uploading the video, because it was a bit unprofessional the first time. I don't know if this is going to get any better, but I don't know. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe if you're not already. Subscribe. I've lost about 20 odd subscribers in 2 months, so it's not that bad to say I'm not uploading any videos, apart I've lost loads more. But yeah, and one more thing, don't forget to check out all the channels, so the Update Review 11 one, and the Photoshop Guy 2010, and I'm going to start a vlogging channel, guys, so this is my first vlog kind of thing. I think I'm going to call that Unknown Vlogger, because clearly I'm not known, but yeah, I'm going to start that up, so Unknown Vlogger. I'll put a link in the description when it's done, but yeah, I'll put an annotation on the video somewhere. I don't know where it's going to be, because I don't know if you can see me. Sorry about the backing light as well for this, guys. I'm thinking I'm going to try and find out some new angles, but yeah, so thanks for watching. As I said, don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe. Stay tuned for the reviews of all these products. And yeah, I'll see you later, guys.